Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habayadai bat kijing penkre na kabanta ke election kaban sa long house nem arajar arpulai na kaliang uba Sanbor ulaong babaro kikwa banyo ya ka jingjab namar lengba ka jingjab Ngin yo kilat penroy kumbang yo i ya ki weipat ki jela ha katain cetei lamingi ula airu kanuksa ya ka jela nagalan ulaong ba kadai ka jela ka babun ki Kristan hanrei ka BJP kala job hadu kharlai teli kiset ulaong ru ba ngiyoi ba kejela nagalan kekiu ba habayadai pat bat kejela Meghalaya nakaliang uba Sanbor ulaong ba ha kejela jongiro kibriu kila itu ba ya menteri rangba kari Narendra Modi ha kaba nakaliang jongu ulawan ra yabun ki kampen roy nadu kalaj kasurok bat kiwei ulaong ru ba usentiu udai uba itenat ba bat baro kibriu ki iternat ya usentiu te haba pilej ban tevot shon yaga kti jongpi hakadur jong usentiu namar ki kampen roy ki ba umodi ule ki pau sena ba haba kali halor ka ILP nagaliang uba Sanbor ulaong balada ki pajba ki jet ya ka BJP bat kan ailat banyo hadu laipusau ne laipusan ngut ki MLA tangapo san minit kajela kanyo ya ka ILP.
Everybody has being in the party. We want. Who doesn't want that we will get the absolute majority, at least 33 to 34 MLA to form our own government? Then we'll get lots of benefits, like what you have seen in the other northeastern state, ruling BJP ruling state. Wow, what the milk and honey. They are getting lots of different kind of schemes, and the student scholarship or the internship of the students, the benefits of the students, so many schemes. So I was very surprised also the wisdom of the electorates of Nagaland, especially the youth, the students, all educated people. You know, being a state having 98% Christian. But we are having 13, we want 13 MLA, BJP MLA. And Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister of the Nagaland government is the BJP. So this will be an example. Now see Nagaland, their students are doing a big amount of scholarship with all the package, the facilities, the development, and everything. So this will be a good sample to the electorates of Meghalaya state also, that if you go to the villages, the remote area also, after 70 years of Congress ruling, this is the first government where there are plenty of schemes. I remember when I contest election, it happened that I have one meeting in one meeting with Tanga, it's a border Bangladesh. One headman is there, but assembly or something like that. He said, I have got 18 grandchildren. This is the first, like in my age as a headman, I have to wake up early in the morning to go house to identify the beneficiaries. There are plenty of schemes. We used to go toilet in the stream. We have to go toilet we have to dig a hole, no? With the banana leaves. We used to after having 18 grandchildren, still I'm going toilet in the behind the banana leaves. Now we are getting this commode, septic tank. He said no electricity now, rural electrification, Modi, you will see even in remote area children also they know Modi, lots of scheme, rural electrification, then this sanitation, water, house to house water. Lots of schemes, road communication, you'll see the road communication is very good now, natural highway and all are the scheme provided by the central government. So I send this message also with an appeal to let us forget about the party, let us not listen to this political propaganda against the BJP, think for your stomach, think for your future, forget about the, people should just remember the everybody they love flowers. Everybody, flower is very a favorite item of everybody. So they just should remember, flower. Just push the button in the flower. Next election, if they give BJP 35, at least 33 will form our own government. You will see at that time, milk and honey will come and Meghalaya will be changed. Still.
And Meghalaya will get ILP also, ma.
ILP also will get in 5 minutes. So we'll try with 5 minutes. We have to get if we have our own government, full-fledged BJP government.